And then this is the tensioner for the belt like that. So I'm over at a buddy's house whose dryer isn't spinning. Just to show. Yeah, the drum's not spinning. He bought a new belt and some rollers. Never done this before, but we're gonna figure it out. All right, let's just take this back panel off and see what we can see. This one's got a 1/4 inch. Just gonna take all these out. Not a whole lot to see at this end. It's kind of solidly built, so maybe taking it apart from the top and front is the way to go. No, I'm just going to take these off, see what kind of access this can give me. Okay. None. Wonder if the top will just pop off. Got a couple Phillips heads there. How are these connected? Okay, yeah, this pops off. All right, let's get these Phillips heads off. Drop them down the intake, or whatever this is, the filter. Let's drop them in there. What can we see? That's where the belt used to could.
Okay. So it looks like it just broke clean off, huh?
Yeah. We probably need to take the front of this off.
Yeah.
A couple right here. I guess we can just... It might be our access point. So there's a screw, a metal screw on either side. Let's just see what that gets us. Ooh, and the front's loose. Neat. Okay. Let's see. Are we bolted or screwed? How are we connected at the bottom? That's the question.
Oh, it just kind of
fancy.
Sweet.
Okay, here's the old belt. The wheels are on the back side. Huh. There's some sort of belt tensioner that's loose. Wow, yeah.
Well, I guess those wheels are doing just fine, huh?
Yeah, we're here so we can replace them.
Sweet.
Well, they look fine. So this belt tensioner is kind of loose on here. I mean, it is just sitting here. I don't know. No idea how that goes. Might have to Google it. Maybe it just goes like that. Maybe it just sits there.
Was it off when you opened it?
Yeah, it was laying there. I think we should clean the old belt crud off of this, and then we can figure out how to install it. Yeah, this seems pretty obvious how this sits, so I think we've got it. All right, so this tensioner was just sitting here when we opened it, and it mounts right here. And then there's a, let's see if we can. Do you see how the belt goes there? This is the old belt, but it looks like the belt will go underneath the bottom, and messing up. Whatever, but it won't be crooked. And then this is the tensioner for the belt like that. So, neato. All right, we can do this.
Oh, right, okay.
Okay, for the first attempt at this, I'm gonna put the belt around the drum and set the drum in place, and then try to feed the belt over and on to the motor. Back inside, kitty. Alright, so the belt's just dangling on the drum, and then the drum will sit on the rollers like that. Okay. I can just pull it over and on. Okay, cool. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, I think a helper is an excellent idea here. Alright, so the belt tensioner. So we got the belt around the drum. The drum's sitting here. My buddy is holding it in place. So I'm taking the belt underneath the tensioner. Get my hand out of the way. I'm just gonna roll it over and onto the motor over here. Okay, and
Guess we need to get the front on so it'll stay.
yeah.
Does it look like it's working?
Let's just give it a couple spins, make sure it's lined up. That's pretty good. Pick this back gasket. There we go, the gasket looks perfect. Neat. Alright, hold that up and I will put this front back on. Okay.
Does it drop in there some way?
It's got like a little latch. It's got like a little hinged hooky thing. Let's see. I got that side on. This side. That side's on. Ooh, that was easy. It's on. Gonna wiggle it. Oh yeah. Yeah, but there's just like a little, there's two little barbs sticking out the front that it slides in here, then it screws together on the top.
Oh, cool. Hey, get back, you fucking cat.
Are you yelling at a cat?
Yeah.
Alright, there's one finger tight. Okay, so we're gonna put the top back on. The front side has these little like clips that they'll clip on, and then the back has these little brackets. And I think we gotta fish the back brackets in first. Okay, so these back brackets, they hold it together like that, and they bolt in. We're gonna hook them like this, and then
Okay.
yeah. So try to stab that one over there in, and I'll stab this guy in, and then it'll hinge forward. And now the front end have these little clips. We'll just click on. Then we got to put the screws in the top side here. Now over here, I'm going to replace these Phillips head screws where the vent goes.
And if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Oh hell yeah! Yeah, thumbs ups are always appreciated. Okay. Yeah, get these tight enough, you strip them out. That's a good thing. And put the screen back in. And then to secure these back two brackets, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall these screws. And then I don't think we needed to take off the back plate for this. I just took it off because I didn't know what I was doing. So since we're back here, let's just do a little bit of a clean of some of this stuff. Let's get it out. So the back plate has a lip that'll just sort of lock in on the bottom, and then all those metal screws we took out. Just like that. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. Will the door get out of the way? Hell yeah. I'll push the button.
This one. Oh!
Nice. We did it.
It's so beautiful. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now.
And a little thumbs up if you can.
That's sick, man.
Nice.
And that mower you fixed last week has been working like a charm, by the way.
Oh, has it? Good. Excellent. I saw you have a nice compliant yard now.
Compliant. What's the name of your channel?
It's my name, Ben Huttash.
It's Ben Huttash?
Ben Huttash, yeah. Not very creative.
Dude, remember we were coming out with names for, there was already the Lawn Rangers, so we went with Grassmasters.
yeah. No, my channel used to be called Grassmasters. And then when I quit doing the lawn boot company, I switched it to my name because I just didn't have you as inspiration. I was getting lots of jokes. Like, oh, you mean Assmasters? Oh, do you sell pot? Oh, what? Yeah.